Right. Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now, in this class, we are going to see the question number 6.3 from 6th lesson. Let's enjoy the class. A long solenoid. What is the meaning of solenoid, ma? Apna? A long, closely wound, helical coil is called a solenoid. Okay, so let us consider a cardboard. On that cardboard, a wire is closely wound. So the closely wound coil is called a solenoid with a 15 turns per centimeter. 15 turns per centimeter. So number of turns is 15 per centimeter. Now convert the centimeter into meter. So 15 into, so 10 to the power minus 2. The minus 2 goes to the numerator as plus. So 15 into 10 to the power plus 2. Okay, is the number of turns. Has a small loop of area 2 centimeters square. So area equal to 2 centimeters square. Now convert the centimeter into meter. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, the whole square. Now 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Okay. Is placed inside the solenoid normal to its axis. If the current carried by the solenoid changes steadily from 2 ampere to 4 ampere. So change of current is 4 ampere to 2 ampere is 4 minus 2. So 2 ampere in 0.1 second. So the time is 0.1 second. Okay. What is the induced EMF? Okay. So what is the formula to calculate the induced EMF? That is rate of change of magnetic flux is directly proportional to induced EMF, which opposes the causes, or the induced current is produced in the opposite direction. Okay. Now we have to calculate the magnetic flux. So pi equal to B vector dot A vector. Okay. So in dot product la vector edukanuna B A cos theta. If theta equal to 0, then cos 0 equal to 1. 1 into BA. So pi equal to B into A. Now, for instead of pi, we can substitute BA. So E equal to minus D by dt into B into A. Okay. Now, what is B? B is the magnetic field. For which case? For solenoid case. So for solenoid case, what is the magnetic field? So B equal to mu naught Ni. Now for instead of B, we can substitute mu naught Ni. So E equal to minus D by dt into B mu naught Ni into A. Okay. Now we can modify the formula. So how we can modify the formula? The induced EMF equal to minus mu naught Na can be taken as constant. Okay, so mu naught Na into di by dt. Di by dt. So why we are taking di by dt? The change in current is from 4 ampere to 2 ampere. So 2 ampere. So that I took di in the time interval of 0.1 second. So dt equal to 0.1. Okay. Now substitute the value. Mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into n 15 into 10 to the power 2 into area 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 into di is 2 ampere. 2 ampere divided by time 0.1. So in the denominator, we are having 1 decimal point. So the last term is multiplied and divided by 10. Okay. So here minus 4. pi, the value of pi is 3.14. Okay. Int 15, 15. Int, here we are having 2. So 2 into 10. So 20. Int 10 to the power. Here we are having minus 7. Here we are having plus 2. Here we are having minus 4. Okay. So 15 into 2, 30. Into 20. So 3 2s are 6. So 20. So it becomes 600. So minus 4 into 3.14 into 600 into 10 to the power. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Okay. So 6 4s are 24. So 24 into 3 1 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 1 2 is 2. 2 3s are 6. So 6. Okay. So how many decimal point? So 2 decimal point. So 1 2. So 2 decimal point. So 75.36 into here we are having 20, here we are having minus 9. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 7. So one digit at 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. This much of EMF. The unit of EMF is volt. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt.